Afternoon. So today we're going to be going over how to perform a credit invoice in SRM, and the two different types of variations that we're going to be examining today will be the first one is if the invoice needs to be credited and it hasn't gone through the daily close, and the second will be if the invoice needs to be credited after it's gone through the daily close. Okay, so we're in our demo environment. I'm going to create a miscellaneous invoice here from scratch. Okay, so going past through all the alerts and the notes here, I'm going to add a piece of equipment or a part on the invoice. All right, I'm going to select this right here. What we're going to do is we're going to generate this invoice. Now, this could be a straight up sales part, or it could be from a rental return that an invoice was generated. Nonetheless, once we get our PDF, any second now. Here we are. We have our invoice 3379. So the first scenario is going to be if we have to get rid of this invoice before it goes through the daily close, we can just delete it. So we can go in here and delete the invoice if it hasn't gone through the daily close. Okay. In the case that something needs to be changed, it can also be changed or altered. But if it goes through the daily close, I'm going to perform a daily close right now, then we'll have to credit the invoice. So the easiest scenario would be it hasn't gone through the daily close, and we can just delete the invoice outright. So I'm going to back office just real quick, performing a daily close. Somebody did not close batch 44. Ignore the errors here in our demo environment. I'm going to post everything from our subledger to the general ledger. And I'm going to perform the daily close 3. Okay. So at the bottom here, if I want to credit it, I'll go back into miscellaneous invoices, and I'm going to click on credit invoice in case I went too quick. And I think it was 3779. Add my note, include the credit lines, and we should have our invoice. I'm going to click accept. Here we go. And if everything is performed correctly, we should get a separate invoice with that credited amount. So 3502, we have negative 3502. And again, once this is posted to the daily close, at the end of the day, everything should balance out. So give it a try and let me know if you have any questions.